Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the top 5 API performance tips. So why API performance matters? So API performance directly impacts the user experience, server cost and the application scalability. A slow API can lead to the frustrated users, increased infrastructure cost and lost business opportunities. So these 5 essential tips will help you to optimize your API. So first one, that is caching. So you have to implement the Redis cache. Okay, so it reduces your database load, decrease response time, improves scalability, lower the infrastructure cost. Next one, that is pagination. So and the limit the data. So if you return the lack of records, then definitely it will reduce the optimization of the API. So you how to optimize it? So whenever you call the API or whenever you create the API, basically, so you have to add the pagination to limit the amount of data. So the front end, the front end request only the limited amount of data so that the load on the database can be reduced. Okay, so without pagination you are returning all the records. With pagination you're recording the less records, right? So the loads definitely it's gonna become reduced. Reduce payload size from the megabytes to kilobytes. Faster response time, better mobile experience, prevent memory overflow. Okay, next we have optimize the database queries with indexing. Database index dramatically speed up query performance by creating the efficient lookup structure. So query speed improvement, 100x to 1000x faster, reduce the CPU usage, essentials for queries, improves overall application responsiveness. Okay, so you have to create the indexing, right? So basically uses the B tree lookup, create an index on the email field. So currently they are creating the indexes on the email so that you can search request very easily could be done. Next, enable response compression. So compress API responses using the gzip or the broadly to reduce the network transfer time and the bandwidth cost. Okay, reduce the response size by 6 to 80% on average, faster page loads, lower bandwidth, better SEO rankings. Okay, using asynchronous processing for the heavy tasks. So offline time consuming operations to background jobs to keep the API responsive. Okay, so immediate response to the users, prevent request timeouts, better resource utilization, ability to retry failed jobs, can scale workers independently. So you have to use the asynchronous processing for the heavy task, right? So we have already covered these all: caching, pagination, indexing, compression, and async. Queue jobs that take greater than 5 seconds. So implement these techniques into your API and see the performance of the API, and do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.